Data Analytics for Beginners. Start your journey. Welcome to the Data Analytics training series. In this introductory video, we'll give you a glimpse into the powerful tools you'll master. SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Advanced Excel. SQL module. Let's start with SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the backbone of any data professional's toolkit. In this module, you'll learn how to query databases, retrieve and manipulate data, and perform complex operations with ease. Tableau module. Next, we dive into Tableau, a leading data visualization tool. Tableau helps you transform raw data into interactive, shareable dashboards that drive impactful decision-making. Power BI module. Power BI is another powerful tool for data visualization and business intelligence. In this module, you'll learn to create compelling reports and dashboards that provide deep insights into your data. Advanced Excel module. Finally, we'll explore advanced Excel techniques. Excel remains an essential tool for data analysis, and mastering its advanced features will significantly enhance your analytical capabilities. Join us on this exciting journey to become a data analytics expert. Each module is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to thrive in the world of data. Let's get started. Business analysts, data engineers, managers, executives, IT professionals, finance professionals, healthcare professional, researchers, and academics. Contact us +91 963 0846. 91 79757 923 website www.staramazatech.com.